Hello, good afternoon and welcome. Today we're going to show you how to change the key battery on these Mazda key fobs. Okay, now these were used in the Mazda range up to about 2019. Okay, so here we go. First thing you've got to do is remove the key blade. Okay, so to do that you've got this little button, I suppose, here. You pull that down with your nail and you pull out the key blade. Okay, so you separate that over there. Now, you'll need something like this. So a small-ish flathead screwdriver. Now you have to be very careful not to damage the key fob, all right? So you've got this seam that goes all the way round. So what I would suggest is somewhere near this area here. Okay, now I'm going to probably make this look more difficult than it actually is. There you go. You prise that apart, but nice and carefully, like so, and the key fob splits, all right? Now you've got this, I call it the button. It looks like a little button here, and you pop that off with your nail, and just make note of the battery, plus sign is upwards, okay? So you take that out, put that to one side, don't get that confused with the new one. Now the battery is a CR2025, all right. So we pop this out. Obviously we can supply and fit these batteries, no problem. Put it back in like so. Okay, make sure that's set firmly down. Join up the two halves of the key fob like so, and then press down. Okay, and then you'll notice you shall get the red light, the little diode will light up when any of the buttons are pressed. So that's done, and obviously you can repeat the process for your spare key. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's been useful, but obviously we are here to assist. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.